To start growing cuttings in old plastic bottles, begin by selecting healthy cuttings from a plant. Choose cuttings that are fresh and have at least a few leaves or buds. Trim them so they fit comfortably inside your plastic bottle. It's important to select cuttings that are not too long or too short. Ideally, they should be a few inches in length to give them a good chance to root. Now immerse your plant cuttings in a container of water, mixed with a tablespoon of sugar for about 10 minutes. This step helps to energize the cuttings by providing them with an immediate source of carbohydrates. The sugar boosts their energy levels, which can enhance their ability to develop roots once planted. Additionally, soaking the cuttings in the sugar solution can help reduce stress and promote faster root growth, giving your cuttings a better start in their new environment. Next, prepare your plastic bottle. Take an old bottle and cut it horizontally around the middle. Be careful to only cut partway through, leaving a small section uncut. This way, you can easily close the bottle back up later. Once you've cut the bottle, make several small drainage holes at the bottom. These holes are crucial as they allow excess water to escape, preventing the soil from becoming waterlogged and causing root rot. Now, let's get the soil ready. Use loamy soil for the best results. Loamy soil is a blend of sand, silt, and clay that retains moisture well, but also allows for good drainage. Fill the bottom half of the bottle with this soil mixture. Make sure it's packed in lightly to avoid creating air pockets. After adding the soil, it's time to plant your cuttings. Place your cuttings into the soil, ensuring that about half of each cutting is buried, while the remaining portion stays above the soil surface. This positioning is important, as it helps the cuttings develop roots in the soil while still being exposed to light and air. Press the soil around the base of each cutting gently to provide support and ensure good soil contact. Once the cuttings are in place, it's time to close the bottle. Bring the two halves of the bottle back together and seal the cut line with tape. This will create a mini greenhouse effect inside the bottle, which helps maintain a high humidity level around the cuttings. This environment is ideal for rooting as it keeps moisture in and creates a warm, stable climate. Place the bottle in a shaded area away from direct sunlight. The shade helps prevent the cuttings from overheating and drying out, which can be a common issue if they are exposed to too much sun. Over the next few weeks, monitor your cuttings regularly. Roots should start to develop within 6 to 8 weeks. The transparency of the plastic bottle allows you to observe the root growth without having to open the bottle and disturb the cuttings. During this time, keep an eye on the soil moisture. It should be damp, but not soggy. If you notice the soil starting to dry out, add a little water to maintain the right level of moisture. This method of growing cuttings in plastic bottles is both practical and eco-friendly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening advice, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.